So this is question number 1.1 of solution chapter, first chapter of NCERT class 12th, and the question says is define the term solution. How many types of solutions are found and write briefly about each type with an example. Right, so it is very easy question and very theoretical, right? So as we all know, solution is made up of solute and solvent. So many it can consist of many substances, and we classify it into solute and solvent. So let's see that how we can write this theory in if this questions came in your exam, how you can write this question in your board's answer sheet, right? So first of all, you have to write that a solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, right? Then after that you have to write that the component that is present in larger amount is called solvent, and the component that is in a smaller amount, it is called solute, right? And then you have to draw this flow chart, and that will give you extra edge for scoring good marks, right? So this is important. Whenever you got chance, just implement some of this diagrams or draw some of this diagram or flow sheet, so it will definitely going to increase your presentation, right? Then we have to answer that how many types of solution are formed, and give example of each, right? So here we have on the base of the physical state of solute and solvent, solution is classified into three main types: gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution, right? So it mainly depends on the solvent, that what solvent you have taken. On the basis of that, we decide the phase of that particular solution, right? So in if in the gaseous solution, the solvent is going to be gas, and the solute can be anything: solid, liquid, and gas, right? And in liquid solution, the solvent is going to be liquid, and solute is anything: solid, liquid, and gas, right? And in solid solution, the solvent is going to be solid, and your solute can be anything: solid, liquid, and gas, right? And the example for that is CO2, that is dissolved in air, simple. Then water, that is dissolved in sorry, oxygen, that is dissolved in water, that the fishes breathe by taking that oxygen, right? So it is the application. And then after that, copper, that is dissolved in gold, so it is a dissolution of metal into metal, right? So these are the examples that you can write in your answer sheet, and you have to write this way so that you can score maximum marks out of that question. Okay.